Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to go beyond simple answers and use advanced AI tools for deeper research, analysis and experimentation, Perplexity Labs gives you powerful capabilities inside Perplexity AI. Okay, so first thing first, open Perplexity AI. So go to perplexity.com or open the mobile app, log into your account and be ready to explore. Okay, so access Perplexity Labs to look for Labs section or advanced tools option, open it, okay, and choose a task. Okay, so Labs is best for deep research, analysis, structured outputs, complex problem solving. So pick your goal and have a clear objective. Okay, so write a detailed prompt. For example, analyze the impacts of on education with sources, for example, or compare renewable energy versus fossil fuels in detail, include context, requirements, output formats. Okay, because detail equals power. Okay, so let's the AI process. Labs may take longer, generate detailed output, be patient, okay, because quality takes time. You can also review the output to look at structure, sources, depth, check accuracy, okay, so that the you validate the results. Okay, so refine with follow-ups. Okay, so ask, go deeper into this parts, or simplify this section, and that's it guys. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.